Good afternoon, explorers. We are coming to you from Test Track. I've been promising we would get on Test Track, and we're doing it today. We're in line. Today's going to be an Epcot ride day. We're going to hit Test Track, Soarin', Seas, and who knows? We've already done the land. Video link is right here. So let's go get on Test Track, show a little bit of the queue. But let's get on some rides. Let's go have some fun. Let's go explore.
But it actually did change it in the right direction. There's no greater satisfaction than having something result in physical form that you think is just an imaginary picture in your mind.
You have this opportunity to take this trip yourself. It's almost like an avatar for like who you are and what you're interested in.
It's like an experience.
So we are just about up to the ride. So we're gonna go get on Test Track. We're gonna go have some fun. There they go. Get out. It's our turn.
It's so funny with the thumbs up.
The windshield's actually quite clean.
It is?
They must have known I wanted to shoot a vlog today. Are you all buckled in? Seatbelt check passed. Next.
Automated driving technology activated.
Welcome to the sim track.
Alright. There we go. Test Track. Whoop, whoop.
We'll begin with the capability test to see how your vehicle designs perform under challenging weather and surface conditions.
Monitoring road surface.
Connecting to OnStar.
SIM-car performance data acquired.
Let's see how your designs hold up now.
Commencing SIM-car off-road and extreme weather sequence. Capability test results displayed and verified.
Now let's see how your vehicles compare when it comes to their efficiency.
Scanning SIM-car for optimal eco efficiency. Engaging EcoScan for aerodynamic efficiency. Drive systems analysis. Hyperspectral imaging in progress. Calculating total enviro impact.
Oh, that's cute.
Commencing responsiveness test.
Okay, the responsiveness data is now being synchronized.
Automated driving technology verified and active.
comes the final test.
Energizing
Alright, here we go.
Okay, the responsiveness data is now being synchronized.
Automated driving technology verified and active. Automated crash avoidance technology disengaged.
I hope you explorers really appreciate that, because that was 65 miles an hour with my hand above it, holding on my camera. Woo! That was fun.
Displaying power test results. SimTrack performance testing complete.
This concludes your performance testing. You'll be able to see how your Chevrolet custom concept vehicle designs compared with the sim car after you disembark.
Thank you for riding Test Track.
Please watch your step.
See you in the outer
as
queue.
well. And remember to take all your personal belongings with you. Be sure to check your final.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and please share the video. We need all the help we can get right now as we grow our channel. And again, thanks for watching.